Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Smart Game token. Ticker symbol is SMART. This token is being listed soon on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The Smart Game token. So Smart Game is being listed on Valentine's Day, February 14th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, how you'd get this token is you'd simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section February 14th at 10 a.m. UTC time, and then simply trade your USDT for the Smart Game token. All you'd have to do is search SMART, the ticker symbol. So it's going to be listed in the innovation zone in the trading section. It says their official Twitter here is at Smart Finance NFTs. And it says Smart Game's mission is to promote GameFi and Web3-based value internet into society into a simple and efficient way. That's what it says on their announcement there. So they have 43,100 Twitter followers already. They're doing very well. 155 tweets on there. Now, they do have a full link tree available too on their Twitter. So they have some... Is this... I'm not sure if this is a link tree, actually. I'm not sure what that is. It says link 3 to Smart Game Finance. That takes you kind of to a weird spot. Let's find out. The best way to get to their webpage here is probably through the Mexc Global announcement page. Yes, they have an official webpage here. It is smartgame.finance. Then they have their block explorer. This is an Ethereum token, so they have an Ether scan on here. It says so far they only have 327 holders, 724 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 622,080,000 smart tokens. So it looks like this token, in the meantime, people always ask me, how do I get this token before it gets listed on a central exchange? This one is available on SushiSwap. So it looks like there's tons of trading going on here on SushiSwap. And you could find their contract address basically on their Etherscan in the on the Mexc Global announcement page. Now, they also have Medium articles, they have a full white paper, they have all sorts of links available here on the Mexc Global announcement page. So, the rise of GameFi, it goes over that and how popular GameFi is. We don't need to go over that. Smart Finance is an automatic strategy protocol focusing on games and NFT products, also known as GameFi and NFT-Fi vaults. That is, Smart Finance compares the real-time mining benefits of blockchain games and NFT projects using the same algorithm. It then switches the hash to products with higher yielding in an automated way for mining. In this way, it can create a higher return for users who are focused on a single product. Being a type of vault, Smart Finance operates very quickly. It constantly switches among different products to find the highest mining revenue. Normally, vaults concentrate the hash rate into a mining pool and do not target any specific token for mining. They focus on projects with the same mining algorithm and strive to find a way with one of the highest mining revenues before it switches into the hash rate onto them. If a project sees the decreasing yield rate, vaults then switch to the next candidate to maximize income. In the era of DeFi and GameFi, the most popular practice is liquidity mining and farming. Despite the diverse forms of the main purpose is to make a profit. In order to maximize the mining revenue, vaults similar to traditional mining came into being. Smart Finance's vault shares a similar operation principle as traditional vaults. It will switch the funds to a higher yielding GameFi NFTFi project to conduct various forms of mining. Essentially, it provides investors with higher mining revenue by virtue of intelligent scheduling. So they have their own swap, the S swap here. So it says users can stake, which is pledge mining, farm, liquidity mining, or trade via the S swap. Users can complete NFT secondary market trading, token exchange, and provide liquidity with S swap. So there's staking, there's the GameFi pool, all sorts of stuff there. So they have a game list here. They're going to have a game list, and there's going to be an S DAO, which is going to self-regulate this. Then they have the smart NFTs, various characters, games, stuff like that are going to be in the form of NFTs. And then they have S Launch, which is going to be like a launch pad for GameFi projects. So all sorts of stuff going on within this ecosystem here. So the smart token is the native token. You can use it in the smart NFTs. And it's the driving force behind the ecosystem. So you can mine the tokens, you can get them through staking NFTs, or you can get them through trading basically as well. And they have a roadmap on here as well, starting with form a core team, determine project positioning and vision, determine the DAO for global blockchain game development, develop smart network, write project white paper, develop S-Swap, complete game list development, design smart NFTs, complete the S-Swap development, develop the main project contract, enable S-Swap, test smart network, deploy smart NFT contract, develop and test the S-DAO, smart finance goes live, start the grand genesis phase, operate smart network, test S-DAO, promote global blockchain game guilds, introduce metaverse development, become the world's largest Web3 blockchain game traffic portal, and then reach 30% of total number of smart network nodes. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the smart token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where you can find this token listed on Valentine's Day, February 14th. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so again, leave a comment. Let me know in the comments, and what videos do you want me to make in the future? Leave a comment about that. What would you like to see more of? Any token requests, things like that are always welcome. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, people. Peace out.